Cappuccino or liver or onion? Hey guys, it's Becca. In today's video, we are doing the Bean Boozled challenge, okay? I bought this from Walmart. My mom has no idea what it is. I just told her they're candies that have different flavors. And if you don't like it, you spit it in the cup, okay? So we each have a cup. She has water. I have some like root beer, and we're gonna see how this goes, okay? Open it up, and there's like a little wheel, and it has all the flavors that are interesting flavors. So we'll go one by one so my mom doesn't know what flavors are coming, and we go at a time. Okay, so Mom, you want to do the wheel? Flick the wheel. Okay, ready? Oh, you gotta do it again. Okay, so Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks?
Tutti Frutti.
No, whatever you get is what you get. So I'm trying to find. Okay, so it's that one. Okay, don't do it yet. Oh wait, that's not it. Okay, no, it's this one and this one. So that's what it looks like. It's like colorful. That's Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks. So it could be Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks. Okay, ready? Go. Stinky Socks. What'd you get?
Tutti Frutti.
Why are you spitting it out?
Because I don't want Tutti Frutti. It's just really
Stinky
bad.
Socks. That doesn't even taste like Stinky Socks. That tastes like...
Becky, I'm really not into this.
That's too
You're
bad.
gonna torture me.
Okay, flick it again. Oh no.
What's this?
This one is buttered popcorn or rotten egg.
Butter popcorn.
Why do you always pick the good one, Mom? Okay, so, ooh, that might be a stinker one, Mom. No, you gotta show what it looks like.
Oh, I know what this one is.
No, Mom, it looks that they're yellow. Okay, so rotten egg.
I can already smell it.
Okay, so rotten egg or buttered popcorn. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, Becky, you got the worst one again. Becky, you're gonna get sick.
Rotten egg.
I don't think this is a good idea for you.
Especially not pregnant.
We're only at 3.
We're at three or 2.
3.
How I have only 2? How come I only have 2 things here?
Well,
We're at
only
3.
need to do...
We're at 3 right now. Okay, spin the wheel. Spin it again. Oh, you already did that one. Stinky Socks. Uh-oh. Cappuccino or liver or onion? What the hell? That is awful. Cappuccino. Don't do it yet. Cappuccino. I think this is what it is. Yeah. They're like dark. Cappuccino or rotten. Or liver or onion. You'll like that. Go.
Okay, Becky. How come I'm getting all the good ones? Okay, this is not good. This is not good. This is not good. We think we should stop.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
There's somebody looking over me.
I have gotten no good ones.
You are the culprit.
How come you're not even?
Somebody is looking
Are you
over
chewing
me.
them, or are you just?
Yeah.
You're cheating.
No. You're trying to torture.
Oh my god,
You're trying to torture
that's probably
me with
the
this
worst.
and-
That is the worst taste I ever tasted in my history of life. You know what that tastes like? Rotten onion.
Okay, spin it out. I got an appointment. Okay, this is gonna make you sick.
Oh my god. That was the worst taste I ever had in my mouth. Mom, I'm not even kidding you. It is like tasting dog food.
Okay.
I get to flick it this time. Okay, birthday cake or dirty dishwater. That's not that bad.
Ooh, nah. What color is it?
It is. There's one. It has to be a color. Here we go. Okay, so they have like little, I don't know, like they're like polka dot a little bit. So birthday cake or dirty dishwasher? I hope you get
Birthday cake.
go.
I think I got the birthday cake. No, the dirty water. Did we both get the same?
Yeah, I got the dishwasher.
Yeah.
It's dirty dishwater.
Oh, we have 2, 4, 6 in there already. Game's over.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I'm not. It's 6.
No.
Yes, look.
Mom, the other ones aren't bad. Okay, so instead of just spinning the wheel, I'm gonna do the ones that we haven't done yet. Give a thumbs up if you're enjoying the video so far, and subscribe. Let's continue. Pomegranate
Oh, that one sounds lovely.
or old bandage.
Ugh.
What is an old
I
bandage?
mean, it's
They're
dirty.
They're red. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Oh! Here, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so I got the dirty bandage. So far, I haven't got any good ones at all. Did you get the dirty bandage?
No.
Oh. Wow. Okay. The next one is marshmallow or stink bug. What the hell is a stink bug?
That looks like a bug.
Just watch, I'm gonna get stink bug. Whatever stink bug tastes like.
I think I got stink bug this time.
I got the stink bug, and the stink bug tastes like bug repellent. And like
Yeah.
bug.
Yeah.
Okay, I think the
This is the
last
last
one. Oh, there's 2 more.
No.
Yeah, there's 2 more. Berry blue or toothpaste.
Oh, either one's not that bad.
And it's blue. Berry blue.
Very blue.
One more is juicy pear or booger.
Okay.
Ready?
One, two.
It's green. Ready? Go. Oh yeah, pear.
Pear. Hey, we did it. Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
It's pear. Wow. That was really tasteful. This would be great for my niece and nephew, like to watch them taste these flavors. I might do a video with them with this. This would be funny for them to do. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Only if you really truly enjoyed the video. And I hope to see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye guys.